To me, the one of the challenging things with the safety concerns, like any new therapy, people generally are concerned about the safety and, of course, the populations that can benefit from these products. Most of the clinical trials going on are actually on people with less comorbidities. And so there are concerns about people with comorbidities. And then there are, of course, concerns about safety in pediatric population. Okay. And then the other thing is because, of course, it has to do with institutional mutagenesis, this concern about what could happen thereafter to this patient because of the interruption. Could there be kind of secondary malignancies that could develop in these patients in the long term? So the long-term outlook of gene therapy and some of these novel therapies, they are not so clear at present. And of course, there's some concerns about safety in these patients. And then, of course, also critically important is that of cost. We know that gene therapy is quite capital intensive and also requires a lot of technical know-how. And so because of that, many persons will not be able to benefit from these technologies because of the cost and, of course, the highly skilled expertise that is required are also are not available in some institutions, and this also could impair accessibility to persons that would have otherwise benefited from these therapies. The other concerns are ethical issues. Some of them involve germline manipulations and all that. And so there are quite some bits of ethical concerns about that. And then finally, the long-term expression after all this procedure, the long-term production of whether factor 9 or factor 8 will it still continue? And so those are the part of the challenges that this novel treatment may have at the present time, which will require some long-term follow-up and more studies on this area.